Hit Factory.
Vocal with the dope beat. What's good? It's Vocal with the dope beat, and I'm out here. Hit Factory Studios. I got my nigga Toti the Crazy and Lens Beats. We were sweating our ass off, bro. Like, yo, projects after projects. And I must say, like, yo, there's a lot coming this summer. Because there are a lot of projects. I have an upcoming EP. Actually, let me say my anticipated EP game plan. It's not yet dropped. I'm sure some people would say, so drop an in. Sorry, no, relax, bro. The project's finna come. It's just that there's some things like the business side of music that I must deal with before dropping. So, yeah, you know the vibes. So, yeah, we out here. I got my nigga, Toti the Crazy and Les Beats. We've been making beats for probably 2 weeks now. Working on 3 songs, like fucking the beats up, man. Yeah. So, like this year, the year plan is so tight. The year plan is so tight because we got like more content coming, YouTube videos. We got like hot singles coming up in this bitch, you know the vibes. Yeah, so there's a lot coming, G. Like every day we trying to like work on something new. We trying to like come with a different sound, like we just like shifting with the paradigm because the music thing needs like patience and dedication, Yeah, so we've been working too much, and like probably now Lens is busy with a fire beat in there, and once it's done and mastered, we finna hop on it. So yeah, there will be more epic beat cookups coming from this trio, Hit Factory. That's like the organization we're trying to like construct. Like we will be like mastering and mixing, beat production and music promotion. Like yeah, we'll be dealing with a lot of things. So yeah, I don't actually know what to say, man, because there are a lot of things. Yeah, we'll see like as time goes by, because we'll be dropping links on our Facebook pages,
Play that shit, bro.
on our Twitter, on our TikToks.
Yeah,
the list goes on. So yeah, I was just, making it clear of what's currently happening, like in our.
I got money on the beat, boy.
You know the vibes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, it is what it is. It's Vocal K. On Facebook, it's Vocal K. It's Vocal K on TikTok. It's Vocal K on Instagram. Yeah, so if you wanna catch me there, you know the vibes.
Yes, sir. You know what it is, man. It's the Tito Crazy up in this. And we just cool. We chilling, we vibing with my niggas every time, man. So what we doing is more like a mini session. That nigga done making it. He done making the beat, right? I think he done, yeah. Bro, we've been working these days. Ain't no time to be chilling and resting and all that, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we out here, Vocal and Lance Beats on some hard shit, man. Straight out of 2515, represent the west side, you know what it is. So yeah, we've been working, bro. We got a lot like, Joe, there's a lot coming, dog. I don't even know what to say. There's a lot because like project on project. The last time, never spot, another Majid. When was it? When was the last time we worked? I think, Earlier this year, yeah. Earlier this year. Last year, I thought better about December, late December. We worked a lot, dog. For November, we had a lot of gigs. So 2022, we're looking forward to more gigs and more performances and the desktop performances and all that. So we're gonna work a lot, dog. Private low key. Ain't nobody gotta know. Private low key. We rolling low key, man. And I'm saying, we out here, bro. Positive vibes. There's always a vibe with my niggas in the studio, man. Like, we've been working on threesomes. You know what I'm saying? Making a threesome on the beat, you know what I'm saying? So like, it's a vibe, man. It's happening, bro. So there's a lot coming. Y'all gotta, I don't even know what to say, but like, there's a lot coming, y'all. Bow! So yeah, y'all should expect a lot of things, bro. You know what it is. Let me get out of here. Still the crazy. Follow me on every socials, man. TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram is the crazy_30. You know what it is. And yeah, YouTube 30 the crazy. We out here, boy. Peace.
Yo, what's up, world? It's Lance Beats. You know the vibes. Producer, I'm a record producer. We've been out here with my niggas, Vocal K, 30 the Crazy, Head Factory Studios. Putting in work, you know the vibes. Since it's been like a weekend since my nigga pulled up.
Play the beat always.
Yeah, he pulled up to the city. We got like 5 projects in the bag already. Yeah, that's that. And yeah, I got my projects coming soon.
What's
my
happening?
daily
Is it
project,
on the own channel?
EP coming soon.
I mean, it's on the master channel, bro.
Yeah. Yeah. Nah, no, it's like late. Yeah, still doing it.
Details coming soon. New video content coming soon. Gonna be like a wave of flames, you know what I'm saying? Lyricism at its fearsome, shit like that. Head Factory.